Hey, welcome traders. Welcome back to the Daily Investment YouTube channel. So today we're going to share how to trade proper with the SSL strategy indicator. SSL strategy stands for the Semaphore Signal Level Channel Chart Alert. It's an indicator that combines moving averages to provide you with a clear visual signal of price movement dynamics. In short, it's designed to show you when the price trend is forming. It's very easy to pronounce, as you might have noticed. So that explanation that I found was from Google. I don't really like the explanation that was given, but in short, the SSL strategy and indicator is a technical momentum indicator that compares price gains against recent price losses. It indicates the long-term uptrend or long-term downtrend in the market. The SSL indicator is one of the most famous indicators that is used. This because it can be used in multiple ways. One of them is by a trend indicator. So let's not waste any time and jump into the video. So another indicator that I use with the SSL is the ATR indicator. Let's add that one. ATR is the average true range indicator. And I like to use this ATR indicator because it gives a forecast on how volatile the next candle might be. But you will see it in the video. So first off, let's explain how the SSL indicator works. So with the SSL strategy, it is important to always trade the trend. So for example, we can see how the trend is by the 200 EMA indicator. It's indicated as the blue line. So when we're above the 200 EMA, we're in a bullish market. When we are under the 200 EMA, we are in a bearish market. So in the bullish market, you only long, and in the bearish market, you only short. And you always trade with the trend because, like the saying is, the trend is your friend, my amigo. So this is going to be a scalping video. So you can use the SSL strategy on the 1 hour. But I prefer to use it on the 5-minute chart. This because I make some quick trades, not be too long in one position. So I'm going to look at the 5-minute chart. So looking at the 5-minute chart, we can see one thing clearly. We're above the 200 EMA. So that means we're in a bullish market. So we only long above the 200 EMA. So now let's take a look at the chart. What's important with the SSL strategy is that the green line crosses above the red line. This indicates a long position. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna zoom in first off so you guys can see the lines clearly. So what's important is that you long the position above the 200 EMA when the green line crosses above the red line. This is very important. So now let's wait until this happens. So we're still not in a bullish long position. It's important, guys, by the way, to wait until the candle is closed, because you can see it here. So what we're seeing here is that the line crossed. The green line crossed above the red line, and also it's also above the 200 EMA. Just don't FOMO in when this happens. Wait until the candle is closed and you get a confirmation candle. So don't rush into this position, just wait for the next candle. So when you go to the next candle, here is where you take your position. So now comes my other indicator into play. With the average true range indicator, I look at the volatility of the next candle. So for example, you see we're at 90 pips, 89 pips. I multiply this with 1.5 and this will be my stop loss, you guys. So what you do is you multiply this amount, so 89 pips, you multiply it by 1.5. So I'm going to my calculator. So you go to this position. You're going to see the close of the position. So this is going to be around 4246. You see that the pips were 89 or around 90. So I will do 90 times 1.5. So it's going to be 135 pips. So this will be my stop loss. So I will indicate it here. Up. So my stop loss will be around. So now you can implement your own risk management. My risk reward ratio is 1.5, so I'll take it to 1.5. So now let's take a look how it plays out. Well, like you guys see, it almost hit. The market completely hit the target. So guys, what's very important to remember is, so the trend is your friend. This was a long position, so now let's take a look at a short position. With the SSL strategy, it's almost identical to take a short and a long position. The only thing you need to do is watch if the trend is below the EMA 200. Like you can see right here at the blue line, so it's down below the EMA 200. This means that we're in a downtrend. So in the downtrend we only short. We don't do longs in a downtrend because the trend is your friend. So when you want to take a short position, it's almost identical like a long position, but the difference is the red line needs to go above the green line. This means there's a bearish momentum in the chart, illustrated right here. So for example, if we take this SSL strategy, combine it with the ATR, the average true range position, you would take a short position right here. So what you do is you take combine it with the SSL strategy, you can take a short position after the red line crosses the green line, illustrated here. This means there is a bearish momentum, and after the close of this candle you can market order it. So you market order the close of this candle around 44k, so you take a short position right here, combine that with the ATR, the average true range, and you combine it with the pips. So there are 160 pips. You can, like I illustrated before, you can take a calculator, 160 pips times 1.5. This will come around 240 pips. This will be your stop loss. 240, around 240 will be your stop loss, and your risk reward will be around 1.5. So here will be your take profit. So let's take a look and look if the target will be hit or a stop loss. So like you guys see, the target was hit, the take profit was hit, so we got some nice profit in this trade. So guys, I hope you understand how to take a long position and a short position. After this, I'm gonna backtest the strategy and see how profitable the strategy is. Besides that, if you got any questions, you wanna know something about the strategy, leave a comment below in the YouTube page. And we would highly appreciate it if you would use our affiliate link for BYBIT. I'm gonna backtest the strategy and I'm gonna show you the results. Well guys, sorry, this SSL strategy clearly isn't working. I got way too many losses. The win rate currently at this strategy is 25%, so that isn't really something we were looking for. I'm gonna adjust my strategy. I'm gonna implement the swing high and add the ATR on the swing high. And well, we got a bit more space at the stop loss, and we're gonna see if this works better. So guys, instead of using the stop loss at the entry of our short position right here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the swing high at the ATR at that position. So now we add at this level the ATR. So we got a bit more space at the stop loss, guys. So the pips are 290 here, so let's take a look. It's 156, so we add 75, 290 plus 75, 365. 365, it's gonna be a stop loss. It's real easy to get there, right? Alright, so now we add the risk reward was 1.5. So now let's see if we can hit this short. Well guys, even if I adjust the SSL channel strategy with the ATR and the swing high and swing low, we still have a bad hit rate. It's a bit better. The hit rate currently is at 34%, but this isn't a strategy that I would recommend if you want to scalp. Well traders, not every strategy is profitable. We want to be transparent with every strategy that we use. I don't think the SSL strategy is that bad. I just think that crypto is too volatile to implement the SSL strategy. So in another video, I'm gonna try it with Forex, but for now, I don't think it's the right strategy to trade it into crypto. This was the end of the video. What we really would appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe to our channel and use the BYBIT affiliate link. If you use our affiliate link through BYBIT, you are eligible for the next BYBIT promotional code. You get 30% discount at our trading fees, and you can get up to 4,000 cashback. So we would highly appreciate it if you guys would use our affiliate link. You help support the channel. See you in the next video, traders.